watching. Here is our today's video. Get ready to unleash your creativity with these mind-blowing horseshoe welding project ideas. First, transform discarded horseshoe into a stunning wall art like a majestic horse head or a beautiful tree and avocados. Perfect for rustic home decor. Next, create a functional piece like a horseshoe wine rack, holding up to a 12 bottles or a unique coat rack and a frog, as you can see in this picture, and a flower into a garden. Take it up to the notch by crafting a show-stopping horseshoe. Beautiful project, complete with a channel of the fairy lights or a bold one gift such as personalization, horseshoe picture frame or the customized horseshoe shoe planter or even a massive horseshoe sculpture for your garden. Lastly, create a functional and a stylish horseshoe spotting bench or set of horseshoe coaster to protect your furniture from watermark and a beautiful butterfly, and you will see in this picture. This incredible project will showcase your welding skill and leave everyone in awe. The challenge is not just in the welding but also visualizing how this often overlooked object can be transformed into something extraordinary and beautiful. Whether creating something useful or purely decorative, the appeal is a versatile horseshoe. Their iconic shapes serve as a strong foundation for endless creativity and opportunities. When approaching this type of welding, the first step is to take a horseshoe not as individual item but a part of a large whole. Welder can manipulate their shape and combine them in such a way they have no longer look like horseshoe, but instead to take on a few from entirely. Imagine starting with a pile of horseshoes. Each one is a sample, one outer piece of metal, and gradually assembling them into an intricate design and the pattern. The welding process allows you to blend these pieces together seamlessly, making it a possible craft everything for the abstract shape or the more refined figure and the design. The transformation from a raw material to the finished product is truly an art and a form of itself. One of the exciting aspects of the horseshoe welding is the ability to create a layer and the dimension in your design. By wearing the horseshoes in a various way, you can give a depth to the piece, allowing it to stand out as a more just a flat object. The curve and the counters of the horseshoes stand themselves to create a circular design and a beautiful oval. The possibilities are only limited by your imagination. You could create something as much as a stand of a small object or venture into a more complex interior and beautiful design, creating abstract structures, and you can make a beautiful design by doing this. Experiment is the key this form of welding. As you gain more experience working with horseshoe, you start to see how their unique shape can be manipulated in unexpected ways. Welding together at a different angle or with a varying level of pressure can create an entirely new form and a structure. Playing with the thickness, number of horseshoes, and how the interests allow you to craft and design are both surprising and the original ones. Lastly, horseshoes welding carries an inherent rustic individual charm that appeals to the wide audience. The raw one look at the metal combined as the precision and the welding create a juxtaposition that can turn even the most basic design into something remarkable and beautiful. Whether you are displaying your work in an outdoor space, gallery, or even in the home, welded horseshoe have a timeless appeal that first both modern and the traditional aesthetic. In conclusion, welding horseshoes tap into both creativity and the craftsmanship focusing on how the horseshoe can be combined, layer and the shape. You can turn this simple material into an extraordinary masterpiece of work of art. Whether your goal is to create something functional or purely decorative, horseshoe welding provides endless opportunities for unique and imaginative creation. A big part of welding creativity comes from the contrast between the simplicity and the complexity. You might start with an idea that seems straightforward and a basic weld piece from an intricate pattern. But as you layer traditional horseshoes, you can create intricate and beautiful structure. The act of arranging and the welding horseshoe together can often feel like putting together a puzzle. The piece must align perfectly to bring your vision of life, requiring patience and precision. Something a small shift in the angle of the weld and the slight bend in the metal can completely change the idea of the piece, adding unexpected fear and the complexities. Here we go. Don't blow ya. The horseshoe welding is a remarkable blend of art, engineering, and imagination. By welding these simply yet versatile shape together, you can